Jesus is in the boat with me, calming the storm for me. He's not about to let me sink. And other times I see him on the cross for me, taking away all of my sins. Sometimes he's the good shepherd, seeing that I am fed, looking out, going before me, yeah, with so much love, making sure that I'm being led. This is how I see Jesus. I'm so glad he's there for me. On the lookout, he's on, ready to take on any storm that I might see, any storm that there might be. Yeah. Sometimes I see Jesus. He's in the boat with me, calming the storm for me. Not about to let me sing, no, no, no. Not about to let me sing.